Hey guys, how's it going? Well, as you can see, the snow is falling again. It is currently January 2nd. You'll see in my last video, we got the cab on the plow and the light and the plow. And I'm gonna try to get some plowing videos for you on this one, but can't promise you nothing because it's kind of hard on that. But gonna try to get you something. And yeah, it is currently 6:30 p.m. It is nice. There's not too many cars, which I'm not used to that, but nice. Like I said, I got my cab on because it is going to be a high of 7 tomorrow with a wind chill of -12 Fahrenheit. So it's going to be cold, and I don't really feel like being on the quad with wind chills, and being that you're on the quad, so you get your own little wind chill even if there's no wind. So that doesn't keep the cold out, the cab, but it keeps the wind out, because if you look at the side here, you'll see in my last video, but the sides are open, but there's really nothing you can do about that. So yeah, we're waiting on the snow, and I'll probably talk to you guys again about 9:30, and doing our little update. We'll keep checking on the truck, but the only problem with this snow is it's going to be blowing, so it'll be hard to be an accurate measurement. But yeah, so just a little update for now. I'll see you in 3 hours, which will be about a second for you guys. Hey guys, you're watching John Deere 50T on the YouTube TV. Alright guys, so we're out here plowing. It is 7:18 p.m. Sorry I didn't get an update for you, but we'll do a little plowing. As you can see, we already started. Alright, so we got most of it plowed. The cab worked pretty good. Still gets cold in there, but keeps most of the wind off. Gotta do across the street and job down the road. So yeah. Sorry, I can't get you too much plowing footage. It's kind of hard to do. So yeah, we'll get working at her some more. So yeah, we also did out here, as you can see, maybe. But yeah, we plow a path for deer and stuff. We did this with the snowblower. Link in the description for the snowblower video. And yeah, so there it is. There's our plowing. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Comment, rate, and subscribe. So yeah, here's the front yard. We did some pileage there, and over there, I know it's hard to see. That film this at night. Supposed to get. And over here. So yeah, we got her cleaned up nice. So there it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed that little plowing video. It's the first snowstorm of 2014. Oh yeah, guys, there it is. Plowing machine. I was just pushing back some banks and stuff. So, yeah. There it is. Thanks for watching, guys. Comment, rate, and subscribe.